Hi guys, how to fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running. I will show you guys effective solutions to fix this problem, so make sure you watch the entire video. First, go to the Windows search, type run and open it. And now here you can just type the %local app data % and just click on the OK. So now here you have to just look for the folder name, the temp. So when you find the temp folder, just open this and here you will see the Roblox folder. Just find the Roblox folder from here and just right click and click on the delete. After that, now you can go back and also look for the Roblox folder and you can also delete this folder. So by deleting this folder, you can also uninstall the Roblox from your PC. Just close it, go to your Windows and type the Roblox, click on the uninstall, and then here in the control panel, just search for the Roblox and right click on that, click on the uninstall. So now the shortcut is removed. So you can open up your browser and go to your Roblox login, and then you can simply open up your any game. So when you open up your game, click on the play option and now you will see the option to download and install Roblox. So you can just simply click on that. Now it will start downloading the setup of the Roblox. So you can just click on the setup and now here after it is installed, just simply log in and see if your problem is fixed or not. You also need to do this step, right click, go to your properties of your Roblox and here go to the compatibility and also check this box of disable full screen optimization and check this box of run the program as administrator. Click on the apply and click on the OK. And now we will move to our next solution. Right click on your Roblox open file location and here you will see the Roblox player launcher. And if the first solution does not work for you, then you can apply this solution. Just open this Roblox player launcher and then it will start installing the Roblox again into your PC, and this will take some time. After that, now you can just restart your PC and now your problem is fixed. So guys, this is how you can fix your Roblox installer problem. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it and also do subscribe to our channel. And if this method work for you, then please comment down below this work and I will see you guys in the next video.